Hello everyone, it's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations, and as kids we love shrinky dinks. But now as adults and as crafters, sometimes we forget that they could be a whole lot of fun. Take a look at these techniques and ideas.
I'm Cassie with Grafix, and we're talking about shrink film today. We have some really awesome things here to show you. It comes in metallic. It also comes in a rainbow pack, which I don't have here. This is the white version, and I'm going to talk about that one first because look at what cool thing you can do. I put some alcohol ink on this white shrink film, okay, and then I shrunk it down and made pins out of it. So I had a green and blue version and cut a square, and then I cut a star out, and then I shrunk them both down and put some resin over top, and you can make really cool pins. They also have a clear version, which you can stamp on, you can put paint on, you could put alcohol ink on this, you would get an even different effect, which would be really cool. But this particular one was run through my inkjet printer, okay? So you can print whatever you want on here, and then when you shrink it down, this is the size that it goes to. It's 20% of your original size.
And the saturation, the color is more intense.
Yeah,
too.
it really is.
Nice.
I put some white paint behind here to make it so you couldn't see the pin back because you could kind of see through it. But it's really durable and thick, heavy plastic, so it's not going to break on you. You can make jewelry, earrings, bracelets, like necklace pendants. I made my pin here.
Oh, that one's adorable.
With both of them with my stamp.
I was going to say, I recognize that stamp from class.
Yep. That's got my stamp on there.
And so cute.
Yeah, you can do so many things with shrink film. It's really fun. Once you get started, you're like, oh wait, I want to try this. And then you kind of end up with like all of this.
Now, what ink did she use? Archival? No, Stays On.
I use Stays On pigment, but you could use regular Stays On for sure.
Okay.
You can use archival too, actually. Yep, you can use archival on the shrink film. So I would say no dye-based ink, but any of the solvent inks or archival or anything like that would work great. Yeah, the other thing we have is Grafix does a really great job with just plastic film in general. And there's so many different varieties of plastic film, and they've got all the details in the booth too. But the other thing that I'm talking about this morning is plastic film that is either just clear or matte. Let me show something with.
Is that what we used in class?
Yeah, I was going to say, is that what we used in class yesterday?
So no, this can be run through printer. These are all run through a printer. Okay, so this is the clear version. This is the matte version with
not
adhesive.
ink.
Either one.
Really?
They have inkjet and laser.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes, it is really awesome.
Yeah.
It's totally awesome. So cool things you can do with it, okay? The background here is just watercolor paper that I painted some pink on. Surprising, I used pink, right?
No, really?
And then I printed this mandala onto the clear with the adhesive back, okay? And then I just stuck it down and I made a card in like 3 seconds.
Oh my God.
Right? And then you could also put some glitter back here first and then put some adhesive. Check this out, okay? I'm making a mess over here, it's okay. So this, I put glitter behind it with some glue. This one I colored with alcohol markers, okay? And then look at how pretty that is when you're done. And the glitter's not gonna come off, right? You can't even feel it. It's just, you just see the beautiful shimmer. So yeah, like amazing things you can do with this stuff. Okay, the other thing I want to show you that's really cool. This is Artist Tack. Okay, you're like, okay, it's fine, whatever. It's just a bunch of little dots of adhesive on inside a sheet of paper, right? You've probably seen it before, maybe even in other brands. And it's really great for using with intricate dies, right? So you just stick it in and you burnish it and then you pick it up. And now this is a sticker, but there's no like adhesive in the little cracks and stuff, right? So then it's perfect. It's not goopy or anything weird. But another really cool thing you can do with it, it's a bunch of little dots. So you just put some of this on your paper and then you take some foil. And then you've got a bunch of little dots of foil or glitter.
Mica flakes will work?
Mica flakes.
Can I show that to her?
Yes, please. It's so fun. It's so fun. You can make your own like little dot art backgrounds.
Is it reusable?
So there's just a bunch of little dots of adhesive. So once the sheet is used up, then it's done.
Right, but I'm saying, could you get more than one use out of one spot?
No, because it's picking up the dots.
The dots, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But these last a long time. This particular pack has 25 sheets. Yeah, here. Isn't that cool with the foil? Yeah, super fun. So this is 25 sheets. It also comes in a bigger, I think like maybe 9 by 12. Haley will have all those details, but it's just fun to think of like different ways to use the things you already have.
Right.
I like this one. It's a great adhesive. It's great for intricate die cuts, but you can also, make fun foil backgrounds and stuff. So yeah.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Interesting.
It's great to see you guys today.
Hopefully that has given you tons of inspiration. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting us know what you think, and don't forget we are doing a giveaway, so as soon as the video reaches 20 comments we will start doing gift cards. So make sure that you leave your comment down below, and don't forget to share with your friends and in your crafty groups, because the more comments the more winners. And of course, all of the products that you've seen featured here and thousands more are available in our online stores. We have 2 stores to serve you, SpectrumArtCreations.com and our Etsy store, also Spectrum Art Creations. And we have live sales right here, right on this channel where you're watching. So make sure that you come back, because every week, sometimes multiple times a week, we have live sales where you can see the product live, you can shop live, you can chat, you can join in games and giveaways, all from the comfort of your home, and then have your items delivered right to your doorstep within a matter of days. Yes, products from all around the world. If you are on Facebook, make sure that you join the Facebook group. It is Spectrum Art Creations Friends. So don't forget the friends at the end, and that way you can post your makes and see other folks' makes as well. You can join in challenges and additional giveaways in the Facebook group too. So make sure you hit that subscribe button for the YouTube channel and ring that bell so you can be notified of whenever we have new videos and all of these other reasons as well. Okay, I am going to leave a link here for another video full of amazing inspiration. So click on that and I'll see you there.